Yeah, hello everyone, it's your boy Tech Web Hack, and in this video I'm going to show you all how you can delete your WordPress website. Let's say you made a mistake, you want to delete your WordPress website completely, you want to delete everything. So there are different ways to go about it, but this method I'm going to show you is the best method to delete your WordPress website. Now the first method is from your file manager. You can come over to this place, just select all, you click delete, you do like this, delete all files, permanently delete, and click confirm. But I do not recommend this method because you still have to come over to your PHP admin. You can see over here that you still have to come over here to delete this. So this is a long process for you. So what I strongly recommend you do if you want to delete your WordPress website, the easiest and the best method is to head over to where you installed the WordPress. You can see over here. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on this. You can see here, you can see uninstall, you can see remove. So we're going to uninstall everything. So once I click on this, you see that remove database, which is this I made mention of earlier on, remove file, this directory. So we're going to click on remove installation. So once I do this, just give it some minutes and installation was removed successfully. So now once I refresh this, you can see that it's nowhere to be found. If I refresh this, you see that our website is completely empty. And if I click on this, you see that our website is completely empty. And if I refresh this, you see that our database has been deleted completely. So this is how you can remove or rather uninstall a WordPress website easily without stressing yourself. Yes, without stressing yourself. So this is the best method. I strongly recommend. It's very easy and very, very convenient. So you can see that I'm a file manager. There's nothing there aside from .ht access. So if you have any question as regards this video, feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to also let me know what you think, and feel free to also like my videos and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell because I'm going to be dropping videos back to back to make sure that you get value and also help you start your WordPress, your web development journey. And now, if you're looking for a website, you want someone to create a website for you, I'm your number one plug. I can create a website and I can also create an application for your business or for your project or whatever you need. I am the right man for you.